Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss chapter number 9, The Lively East. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the cities, big cities, which lies in the eastern part of India. हम उन cities के बारे में discuss करेंगे जो आपकी इंडिया की ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ एरिया में लाई करते हैं. The eastern states of India are lively and make Indian an attractive tourist destination. And what does it lively means? Full of spirit and full of life. In this class, we will discuss in brief about the big cities which lie in the eastern part, like Kolkata, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, Raipur, Guwahati and Kohima. One by one, I will explain. First one is the Kolkata. As you can see, Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Class, do you know that Kolkata का पहला नाम क्या था? Earlier, yes, Calcutta. Okay, and it is situated on the bank of river Hooghly. And class, आपको पता है कोलकाता को एक और नाम से जानते हैं? City of Joy. And class, do you know that Kolkata was the capital of India till 1911 under the British rule. जब ब्रिटिश रूल करते थे ना तो कोलकाता क्या थी? आपकी इंडिया की कैपिटल भी थी. ओके, टिल 1911 तक. एंड कोलकाता हैज मेनी नंबर ऑफ पैलेसेस. देखो वहां पे बहुत सारे पैलेसेस हैं, तो समटाइम उसको सिटी ऑफ पैलेसेस भी बोलते हैं. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट सिटी इज भुवनेश्वर. एंड भुवनेश्वर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ उड़ीसा. नाउ Bhubaneswar is the biggest city of Odisha and it is known for its historical monument temples. It has many temples. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो बहुत सारे temples हैं, like Yogini temples, Rajdhani temples and many more. Mukteshwar temple, many more temples are there. That's why the reason Bhubaneswar is also known as Temple City of India. Okay? बहुत सारे temples होने की वजह से इसको हम Temple City of India भी बोलते हैं. Now come to the next is Guwahati. Okay? Assam capital is Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam and Guwahati is the biggest city. Okay? And it's also known as the gateway to the northeast of India. इसे एक और नाम से जानते हैं गुवाहाटी को. That is gateway to the northeast of India. Okay? And Guwahati is famous for its कामाख्या टेम्पल. यहाँ का बहुत फेमस टेम्पल है कामाख्या टेम्पल. गुवाहाटी, इट इज सिचुएटेड along the bank of river Brahmaputra. Now come to the next is Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Okay, it is known for its untouched beauty. किसलिए जाना था? Because it is very beautiful city and it is called the Angami, land of the Angami Naga tribes. ये जो tribes है आदिवासी है उनका land माना जाता है कोहिमा. And in this city, Hornbill Festival is very famous, which is held every year in the month of December. Now come to the next city is Raipur. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh and it is famous for its handicraft and it is known for its vibrant steel plants. Over 200 steel mills are there. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी स्टील्स की मिल्स हैं. It is the home of ancient temples. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ancient temples भी हैं and the terracotta industries. Now the next one is Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Class, do you know that Ranchi is also known as the city of waterfalls? यहाँ पे many waterfalls are there. Many waterfalls. Sita Fall, Dasam Fall and the Hundru Falls. Ranchi is a land of the tribal peoples. Tribal means आदिवासी लोगों का land है and they worship nature. वो nature की पूजा करते हैं. Okay? That's why the reason the city is very beautiful and it is famous for its ethnic handicraft and the metal work. Class, one more thing. This seven state, it's also called the Seven Sisters. Why it's called Seven Sisters? Because they all interdependent on one another. एक दूसरे पे इंडिपेंडेंट है आप देखेंगे दिस इज द ओनली रूट जिसे वो इंडिया से कनेक्ट होते हैं, एंड दिस रूट इज कॉल्ड द सिलीगुड़ी कॉरिडोर. Got it? I hope you all understand. Thank you.